Hey there, meteorologist. Welcome back to science class where we are going to keep talking about the weather. So we need to start it off with our weather song.
Check out the weather, what's it like outside? Check out the ground, check out the sky. What word would you use to describe what you see? What is the temperature, how many degrees? Is it sunny when you look outside? S-U-N-N-Y. Is it cloudy when you look outside? C-L-O-U-D-Y. Is it rainy when you look outside? R-A-I-N-Y. Check out the weather, what's it like outside? Check out the ground, check out the sky. What word would you use to describe what you see? What is the temperature, how many degrees? Is it windy when you look outside? W-I-N-D-Y. Is it foggy when you look outside? F-O-G-G-Y. Is it snowy when you look outside? S-N-O-W-Y. Check out the weather, what's it like outside? Check out the ground, check out the sky. What word would you use to describe what you see? What is the temperature, how many degrees?
And while we're at it, let's look up with our eyes, cause anything that falls down from the sky is precipitation. What a weather sensation. It usually starts with a cloud formation. Gas turns to liquid during condensation. Well, that's the scientific explanation. But rain is what you see fall down, and there's other types too coming down in your town, like sleet, hail, or even snow. Precipitation, you should know. Anything and everything that comes from the sky, get your umbrella or stay inside.
Check out the weather, what's it like outside? Check out the ground, check out the sky. What word would you use to describe what you see? What is the temperature, how many degrees?
All right, I hope you enjoyed singing the weather song. Let's remember what we talked about last week, the playground problem. Two principals at Carver and Woodland Elementary sent us an email to ask us to help them solve this problem. And here's what it is. The Carver and Woodland playgrounds are both cold at night, but that's okay because there's no students there. The Carver playground is too cool in the morning for students to be comfortable to play. But the Woodland playground is nice and warm in the morning, so students love playing there in the morning. In the afternoon, they switch though. The Carver playground is nice and warm and the students feel very comfortable, but the Woodland playground is too hot for students to feel good. We talked last week and realized that the two different weathers or the two different temperatures are not caused by weather. Both these playgrounds have the same weather, but it might have something to do with the sunlight because we learned that sunlight makes things warmer. We've been asking this big question. Why do playgrounds or other places on Earth get warm? So we talked last week about this not shining light representing nighttime and this shining light representing daytime because the shining light is acting like the sun. When we took the temperature of the daytime lamp where the sun was on was much, much higher than the temperature at nighttime when the light or the sun was off. So what does this tell us about sunlight and temperature? we're going to keep asking questions like that to see if it can help us solve the playground problem. So at nighttime, I took the temperature of the basketball court outside, and it was 60 degrees. 60 degrees is a cool temperature. That's what it was at nighttime. Now, during the daytime, I also took the temperature, and guess what? The temperature was 90 degrees. So at nighttime, the temperature was 60 degrees. It was cool. But in the daytime, the temperature was 90 degrees. That's very hot. So I want you to stop and think. What is different between the temperatures of nighttime and daytime? All right, I want you to keep that idea in your head, and you're going to go over to your assignment in the classwork tab for lesson 6, daytime versus nighttime temperature, and you are going to answer this question right here. The temperature of the surface is warmer or cooler than it was in the nighttime. So I want you to look at the temperature here that was very hot. Is that warmer or cooler than the temperature it was at nighttime when it was cool? I want you to go and answer that question. I can't wait to see what you come up with so we can keep working together to solve that playground problem. I'll see you next time.